Instagram have this new feature called Instagram Repost. So Instagram Repost is a very good way for you to share what you like inside your Instagram feed. But it's also a good way for content creator like me to use it so that people can share our posts or our reels into their feed. It's a good way to get more views. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable repost for your Instagram posts and reels. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can enable Instagram repost for your posts and your reels. Let's go. There's this very cool feature of Instagram where you can repost the other people's posts into your own profile. For example, I want to repost this. I just click on, okay, let me just click on repost here. All right. And then when you go to your profile, you refresh, you should be able to see there's the 4 icons right now. There's 9 dots, there's reels, there's your own tag. So you click on here, you can see the repost here. All right. So this is good in a way that you can increase visibility for your post. So that's the reason why it is important for you to enable repost for your own post so that it can be stored in other people's profile and then they can view it forever. So how do you do that? Okay, so first of all, go to the 3 lines on top. So of course you have to go to your own profile first. Click on bottom right, all right, the yellow icon, all right, and then after that you click on the 3 lines on top, the burger icon. Okay, and then you scroll. You should be able to see sharing and reuse. Click on that. And then you can see a repost on posts and reels. Okay, if you turn it off, it's like this. If you turn it on, it's like this. So make sure to turn it on if you want to get more visibility for your post, because who knows, some people might like your post and they might repost it into their feed and it will help you to get more views. Okay, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Hope that it is helpful for you, and thank you so much, and I see you next time. Goodbye.